Alright guys, I saw Target had some Monopoly. I've never opened any of these chasing Wemby. I heard the 101 hasn't been hit. So shout out to my boy Mike for costing me some money. Just kidding. Not going to cost me anything if I hit. So he told me there's some decent value in these, so it intrigued me enough. So I guess there's some other decent stuff that you can hit in these. So I got 5 of them here, and we're going to see what kind of value we can pull from this stuff. I do like these cards. I like the idea of them, the look of them. The only thing I don't like is there's 9 gazillion versions of Prizm, but I could do without the 48 different colors and stuff, but they are kind of cool. Alright, seems as if we have focus. We got a little reflection going on. Anthony Black on the rookie. I don't know where to put this light at. I keep moving it around. Jacquez. There's a rookie purple. Cason Wallace. No rookie in that pack. Kobe, he was meant to play basketball. Jeff Howard, rookie. There's a Steph insert. Grady Dick, lots of rookies in that pack. LeBron James. My son will like that. He's not into the value of anything on cards wise yet, so he just likes. Although he's wearing number 6 still in that one. He wants the 23 one. But he'll like that it's Monopoly. Okay, so no luck in the first one. Wonder if it's going to be on the back. There's another LeBron. Wonder if Wemby would be on the back, because I can't hide it too well. I can try to hide it. Noah Clowney, rookie. It seems that the color are all on the back, I guess. Luka insert. Tatum purple. Scoot Henderson. I opened, me and my son, there's Amen Thompson, rookie, opened Anthony Black purple. It's a nice card. Opened 5 regular blasters the other day and didn't even get a Wemby base, so I don't know. The Wemby and Bedard chase has been on for me more so than anything ever. I've never opened this much stuff before, so it's affecting me for sure. So I've sold most of my oversized Bedards. If you watched any of the Blaster videos, I have 2 left. Well, I sold 2. I have 1 listed and 1 left to list after that. So those have been selling pretty good. Donovan. I sent the Wemby Pink Ice and the Bedard base and the Bedard Gold to... We have a gold in this one. 2 PSA the other day. Dame Lillard on the gold. It's pretty cool. Although it's numbered to 500. 500 for gold. That's interesting. I would have definitely thought that was a 50. Who knows anymore? Grady Dick on the rookie base. Another LeBron. Cade Cunningham, purple. Noah Clowney. Okay, 043. Not easy to hit, huh? Lots of them out there, but you sure do got a rip. Almost impossible to not see the back card. Joker. Azor Thompson. Klay Thompson, purple. Gold out of 500, Klay Thompson. And we got one box left. I almost passed it right up. Oh man, and it's on the back too. It could have been color. I did not see it when I was opening the pack, but I will take it. It's better than nothing. So we got a base, and it looks pretty good. I am sending off another PSA this week, so might as well send it. It's got some printer lines on the back, but other than that, not too bad. It's probably a 9. Probably a 9. I'll think about it for a minute. I don't know if I want to bother paying $20 and sending it. But I'll take it. A Wemby base. Can we get color in the same box? We got 2 Klay Thompsons in the last box on the back. Okay, we are down to our final pack and 5 Prizm Monopoly Blasters. And it is a Tatum insert purple. That'll do it. 1 Wemby and 5 blasters. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Sports cards every month.